Hi everyone, this is Dom Designs here back with a new Adobe Illustrator tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you how to take a sketch I made of a slice of pizza and turn it into a beautiful and vibrant vector illustration in Adobe Illustrator. If you're new to the channel and you're interested in Adobe Illustrator drawing tutorials and process videos, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. So let's dig into this Illustrator tutorial. Firstly, I try to always start planning out my drawings by creating some rough sketches. Here, you'll see me draw out that slice of pizza on a piece of paper with a pencil. I then took a picture with my phone and transferred it to my computer. Then place the image using the placement option, which is Command-Shift-P on your keyboard, on an
empty 1920 by 1080p canvas in Adobe Illustrator. Our next step is to turn this image into a template.
We'll draw our outline of the pizza. Let's trace out our image using the pen tool P on your keyboard. Don't be afraid to go back and restart or fix your curves along the way. Using this method, you will notice we have a lot of overlapping lines. We will take care of those. In a little bit, what I'd like to do next is to taper in some lines using one of my favorite tools. The Width tool, can be found on your panel to the left, or you can just use Shift-W on your keyboard. By clicking and dragging, you can see that I can make the end. Of the stroke thinner or thicker. So I'll go ahead and do all the lines I think would need tapering. By using the Shape Builder, we can also select strokes. Also, let's remove the round cap on some of these strokes as well. Awesome, now that we have the base of the pizza completed. Now let's add some color to our design. For this, we'll use a color palette. Color codes. You can find these color codes by searching on Google or by using a reference image that you like. Awesome! This looks tasty. And there you have it. How to take your pencil sketch of a pizza and turn it into a vector illustration in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know if my tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you, and see you next time, everyone.